In this video, I will show you how you can get a deleted Spotify playlist back. So if you accidentally deleted one of your playlists and you want to get it back, then here's how you can do it. I've only found that you can do this on the Spotify website, so just go to spotify.com and sign into your account. And then from there in the top right, click on your profile picture and then go to settings. And then from there, go to account. That will open up a new tab, and then from within your account right here, just scroll down, and then under account you can see recover playlists, so click on it. And then here you will see all of the playlists you have deleted, and from there you can restore it if you want by clicking on restore, and it will then be back in your library. So now you know how to recover or restore a deleted playlist on Spotify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.